Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the first Appium script. So before that, please check Java is installed, Eclipse is installed, then Appium, did you install the Appium tool, then Android ADB setup is done. So please check everything before. If you are not, please see my previous video. So I have opened the Eclipse. So go to file, create a Java project. I will create like Appium script training. So I have created a Java project. I can see source file here. So what I will do, I will add one package. So it's like mobile test. Inside that I can add one class name called sample mobile script. Okay, so it's just a Java project. It's not Appium or Selenium. We haven't converted it yet. So what we have to do, right click on it, project name, go to properties, in Java build path, add external jar. So in this, like what are the things are required to add as a jar file? Okay, let me tell you. Go back to, see, we can go it here only. Go to appium.io. Here click on download. Just a second, click on download this last one. So and click on Java. So we are going to use Java. So what it will happen, it will redirect you to my one repository. You just click on this jar file. Okay, see, this will be installed. Already I have installed. Okay, just keep it, this one, and Selenium download. The first website you should go, come down, you have to download like Java one. Just download, it will download one zip file. So I already have one, I can better cancel it, no problem. And you can download that standalone also, the one jar will, it will download. So anything you can do. So once you've done, you can come to Eclipse, right click on the project, to properties. So whatever you have downloaded, Eclipse and Java client, so you have to extract and keep it here. Let's see, after extract you will get this jars, add it, then click again, go inside the libraries, add all the jars. Okay, so we have added Selenium but not Appium one. So for Appium one, I have put into this folder Java client 6.0. Okay, so now this project become a API like mobile automation script you can do. We have converted into Appium project. Just apply and close it. So if you have a doubt, what you can do, try to do Appium driver. Yeah, you can do. Okay, so I'm going to automate Android. So I will use Android driver. Okay, so it will say mobile element. Okay, and driver. Now, what are the things we should do it in device side? Device side, nothing. We need a APK for automate. So anyway, we have a APK also. I have it in here where it is. Yeah, I have a Cylindroid test APK. So don't worry, guys. I will give this link for this APK, so you can also try with this APK. So I have declared Android driver, and I have to mention some desired capabilities. Cap is equal to new desired capabilities. Okay, so the mandatory thing you have to pass with capability is first one, cap. Oh, sorry. So we will create a method. Forgot to create method only. Okay, do desired capabilities. set capability string value. So mobile capabilities also you can add, or if you have mobile capability dot uh, device name. Okay, the first thing is device name we should give. So what is the device name? I'm using Sony, I can mention. So this name is not much mandatory. You can give any name, for example Dharma device, or your name also you can give. So same way I will copy this. I have to give platform. First of all, platform. So which platform we are going to automate? I'm going to automate Android. Okay, it's showing something. Platform name. Yeah, platform is deprecated, so add a platform name, and then platform version. Platform version is my device version. So where you can see is, go to setting and go to about phone. Yeah, I can see here Android version is 4.4.2. I will add it here, 4.4.2. So this is a very important one. The platform name, platform version, and then last thing is app. So which app you are going to automate. So I have to give the path of that APK. So where I have is I have in document software. I think I have it here. So I will get the path of this. Then APK name. Okay. So now it's the capabilities things are done. So now driver is equal to new Android driver. So what are the things you have to give? You should give remote address as well as the capabilities you have to pass. So here I can do cap. So whatever I have created I will pass. In remote address you should give new URL, like the Appium server URL you should give. Okay, so if you see host is 000. So here 4723 WD hub. So this is what the URL for the Appium. So it will ask you to change it to static and add throw declaration for a malformed URL. Okay, so almost done. Now I will write something like a driver dot find element by ID. I will write some wrong ID. Let's see the device like app is able to launch or not. I will try to click on something and I will try to run. So before run, what are the things you have to done? Okay, your device is here. Go to Appium, start the server. So once you start the server, you can run it. Right click on the application, open this as well as device. So let's see what will happen with device. So it started installing the Appium unlock app. So once the installation is done, you can see it in device. So something is launched. Okay, so now it's trying to install the app. Yeah, I think we are able to launch successfully. So that's it guys. Now we have to find the right locator. So what we have to do it for locator? Here you guys have to find where you have installed your Android SDK. So now the scenario is I have to click some values in this. I have to click something like test. So how to do it? First of all, I have to find this locator value. So for that I need to go to Android SDK go to tools, you can see a Android UI automator viewer. So double click on it, you can see this kind of view, and open your mobile view. So which, like, let me delete this. Okay, just refresh this, you just click on second icon. Yeah, so this app is opened by Appium, right? If this is the case, you will get this kind of error. So what you can do, you can relaunch that app. Still Android. So now try to do. Let me reconnect, remove and connect. Yeah, it's taking. So if you're facing some issue, I think you can disconnect and connect it again. Okay, so this is how you have to find the element. So maybe in some other video we can see how to find everything like property of this locator. Now let's take some sample one. Just click on this, copy the resource ID, click on this resource ID and copy everything. I will add it here. Find element by ID. Instead of click, I have to send keys. Send keys. Send keys. Appium training. Okay. Now we have done. So after all tests done, we can quit the session. Okay. Okay. Before run, just check. Yeah, it is running. 0 device connected. It shows like it's already connected. We have removed. Right click on it. Run as Java application. Wait for some time, it will show you. Yeah, see, it is launched unlock app. So every automation it will try install the Android unlock app, then it will do. If the device is unlocked also, it will, if device is locked also, it will do unlock and then it will launch the app. See, now we can type and Appium training. So this is how we have to do automation, guys. So maybe next session we can see more function like more action, how to do with mobile apps, and we can see how to find the locator from the apps. If it is web, we can use a inspect element, but here we have to use UI automator. So this is what UI automator. We can see more about the UI automator in coming videos. So please subscribe the channel and please watch our channel. So you will get to know as soon as we upload the videos. If you face any issue on configuring or setting these things, please put into comments. So you will get a reply soon as possible. Thanks for watching.